Great to see you here again. My name is Luc de Kuster, founder of the Kuster Academy, and in this video I'm going to talk about defining the project and creating the project charter. But before we continue, don't forget to click on the subscribe button, click on the bell button, and every time we have a new video, YouTube will inform you about it. So let's have a look at the principles of project definition. What is project definition about? Project definition is very important because it will exactly describe what the project is about, including elements like cost, risks, stakeholders, and many other elements that I will explain to you later in this video. At the end of the project definition process, we will have a document that describes what the project is about, and it is a contract between the project sponsor and the executing organization and the project manager. Each organization may give a different name to this document, but the PMI terminology is that we talk about the project charter. Now, when we create a charter, we have different steps. The first step has three successive elements in it. First of all, we have to determine the real need. Second step is we have to define the end product, and then we have to determine the priorities. Once we have this finished, we have step 2 with three elements in parallel. To develop the project objective, position the change control process, set up the project infrastructure, and the last step is put all these things together and write what we call the project charter. Now, when we look at the composition, the content and the composition of the charter, we typically find following elements in the charter. There are general provisions about the project, the purpose of the project, measurable project objectives and related success criteria, high-level requirements, high-level project description, boundaries and key deliverables, project risks, a milestone plan, reserves or reserved financial resources, lists of key stakeholders or a list of key stakeholders, project success factors and parameters for approval, project exit criteria. One of the exit criteria, for example, is that the project is completed. Then we stop, of course, with the project. We assign the project manager with signatures, and there also may be some attachments. The document is typically limited. The description is a high level to avoid that the management has to deal with special technological definitions and principles that may not be understood by them. It can be very, very specific. It can be general with the project, what you are doing. So in some cases, the technical aspects have to be avoided to be mentioned in the charter. They can be in the attachments, and we can put a lot of additional information in the attachments. So that's basically how we create a charter. Simple document, not too long, 5-6 pages, maximum with everything. No large descriptions like I've seen from time to time. People have to be able to understand really what the project is about, what the criteria are, what are the financial parameters, and of course, who is dealing with the project, who is the sponsor, and who is the customer. So that was it about the charter. Don't forget to click on the subscribe button, click on the bell button, and every time we have a new video, YouTube will inform you about it. Thank you, and I'm looking forward to seeing you in our next videos. Bye bye.